Today I would like to share with you a video of resetting maintenance lights with our Diagnostic Scanner OBD KATOOL-700 Pro. Connect the main cable to 700 Pro and connect the other end of the main cable to an OBD diagnostic connector. Because this motorcycle is a 2020 BMW 400, we can see the OBD connector is on top of the battery. We unplug it and connect it to our OBD connector. Once connected, turn on the ignition switch. Then the dashboard is on. The maintenance light is on, showing that this motorcycle needs to be serviced. At the same time, we must turn on the kill switch. The 700 Pro will turn on automatically after connecting to the battery. And then we can choose the motorbike. Tap all model. Then find the BMW icon and we select the menu 05C series. Scroll up the menu. Choose C400 GT. Choose 0 for maintenance light reset. For some of the motorcycles series, where you can't see the maintenance light reset option, you can choose the 03 instrument panel. When we get into this page, let us choose service. There are 3 options we can choose from. The first one is set motorcycle date. The second one is set the next maintenance date, or set the service date. The third one is set the maintenance mileage or set the service mileage. Let's choose the first one, set motorcycle date. Press yes button. The first line is the current date of this motorcycle, which is to 0 to 31 to 12. Right now the date is wrong. We can follow the instruction at the bottom to change it. Press Oklahoma button to modify the date. And press F1 button to set the date. Here shows the time format. Press OK button to confirm. Click on the 1 button to switch to the numerical keyboard. Today is May 2, 2023. Let us enter to 0 to 30522. Let us set up the date by pressing the check button. If you type something wrong, you can press the LT delete button as video shows. Now the set motor date is May 22nd, 2023 after pressing the check button. And remember to press F1 button to save the change. You will see the current motor date has been changed to this day. Now we are going to go through the second setting to set up the next service date. Tap the set the service date. Here we can see all 3 dates. The first one is the current motor date, which is to 0 to 30522. The second one is current service date, shows to 0 to 31111, which is not right. The last one is set service date, which will be defaulted to current date. For BMW motorcycles, we normally carry out a service for every 6 months or 12 months or between them. Press OK to change the date. We can set the date to 20 to 0505 and press the check button. Now the set service date is changed, and remember to press F1 to save the change. The current service date now is set up for the next service. Now we are going to go through the third setting by choosing set the service mileage. The current service mileage has 1,000 kilometers left, and the default setting for set service mileage is 10 kilometers. We can modify the set service mileage with a number between 5,000 kilometers and 10 kilometers. Let us set the next service mileage to be 5,000 kilometers and press the check button. Now the set service mileage has been changed to 5,000 kilometers and press F1 to save the change. Once saved, the service mileage is now 5,000 kilometers. Now let us check the dashboard after all these settings. We notice that the maintenance light and notification have been turned off automatically. Now that is a wrap of this video about resetting the maintenance lights. If there is anything that you don't understand, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching and choosing us.